Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're walking you through how to change the code on your ADT alarm system. Keeping your security code updated is essential for maintaining a safe environment. Whether you're moving into a new home or just want to update your security code, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. Step 1. Access the ADT control panel. The first step is to access your ADT alarm control panel. Make sure you know the model of your ADT system, as the process may differ slightly depending on the model. Most ADT control panels have a menu or settings button, so locate that first. Step 2. Enter the current master code. Next, you'll need to enter your current master code. This is the main code you use to arm and disarm your system. Enter it carefully to avoid triggering any alarms. Step 3. Navigate to the code settings. Once you're in the main menu, look for an option labeled User Codes or Security Codes. Different ADT systems might have different names, but you're basically looking for the section where you can manage user codes. Select this option to move forward. Step 4. Select the code you want to change. Now, you'll see a list of all the codes assigned to your ADT system. Find the one you want to change. If you're updating your personal code, select it from the list. You may also have the option to add a new user code, which is great if you need to give temporary access to someone else. Step 5. Enter your new code. After selecting the code you want to update, it's time to enter a new one. Choose a code that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid simple combinations like 1,234 feet or your birth year. Step 6. Save and test the new code. Once you've entered the new code, save it by pressing OK or Save on your control panel. To make sure it's working, go ahead and arm and disarm your system using the new code. If it works, you're all set. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully changed your ADT alarm code. Keeping your security system updated is one of the best ways to stay safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on home security and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.